Billionaire Elon Musk has once again criticized the proposed billionaire tax, which could cost him as much as $50 billion if it were enacted. In a tweet on Thursday, October 28, the Tesla CEO argued that the $50 billion tax amount could instead be used on his goal to reach Mars on rockets produced by his company SpaceX. He said, "My plan is to use the money to get humanity to Mars and preserve the light of consciousness." The new tax proposal unveiled this week by Senator Ron Wyden of Oregon directly targets the 700 or so richest Americans. That, of course, impacts the people on the very top of that list, including Amazon co-founder Jeff Bezos, Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates, and Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk. Of that group, Musk currently ranks the highest with a nearly $300 billion net worth, according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. His net worth, however, is primarily tied to his stock holdings rather than his annual income. Under the proposed bill from Senate Democrats, taxpayers earning over $100 million in annual income or who have at least $1 billion in assets held for 3 years or more would owe billions in taxes. Musk in particular could owe as much as $50 billion in taxes across the next 5 years, and Jeff Bezos would face a similar high tax bill of $44 billion according to one projection. Even after paying those tax bills, Musk and Bezos would remain the richest people on the planet. Elon Musk critiqued the proposal on Wednesday as well, with a Twitter post that said, "Eventually they run out of other people's money and then they come for you." Earlier this year, it was revealed that Musk and Jeff Bezos have in recent years paid nothing in federal income tax. Musk's wealth grew an estimated $13.9 billion between 2014 and 2018. He reported $1.52 billion in total income and paid $455 million in taxes. It equates to a 3.27% true tax rate. In 2018, however, Musk paid no federal income tax. The records show he paid $68,000 in 2015 and $65,000 in 2017.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.